Hello everyone, today we have to solve this inequation where my question is x plus 1 upon 2 minus x minus 2 upon 3 greater than or equals to 7. Now we have to solve it like a normal equation where we have fractions and fractions are subtracted to each other. We know whenever the fractions are subtracted or added to each other, so we have to take LCM of the denominator. So we just multiplying both denominators, and for numerator we have to do cross multiplication. So 3 will be multiplied by the numerator of first fraction and 2 will be multiplied by the numerator of second fraction, where the other hand of this inequation will remain same. Now this 3 will be multiplying by the whole bracket, so it will be multiplied by x, which result as 3x. Now 3 multiplied by 1 will result plus 3. Minus 2 multiplied by x will result as minus 2x, where minus 2 multiplied by minus 2, so minus minus will be plus, and 2 into 2 will result as 4. 2 into 3 times result as 6 greater than and equals to 7. Now we have to solve like terms over here. 3x and 2x both are like terms, plus 3x minus 2x plus minus minus 3x minus 2x will result as x. Now 3 and 4 both are constant and both are having plus sign, so plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4 will result as 7, where the denominator moves to other hand, so it will be multiplied by this 7 because over here it was dividing by the whole fraction. X plus greater than or equals to 7 into 6 times will result as 42. Plus 7 greater than or equals to 42 minus 7 will result as 35. Now this one is the result which tell us that the value of x should be equal to 35 or more than 35 till so on to the real numbers. Hope you like the video. Please share and subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.